Hello and welcome to the vlog. It is going to be an autumnal vlog. It is the 16th of October, so we are well in the swing of autumn, which is my favourite season. And I'm just gonna have a little autumnal day, and I thought I'd vlog it because I want to, and I think it might be quite fun. So as you can see outside, this is the weather. Very moody, and I'm just gonna go downstairs and make an autumnal lunch. What is the most autumnal meal that you can have? And to me, soup. The answer's soup. So, that's what I'm gonna have. I was originally gonna make a soup, but I haven't, and I'm not gonna. So, I've got Heinz. So the soup is going for it in the microwave. That's really hot. So my soup's ready. It's really green, and I'm just gonna eat it. This is the autumn OTD. I decided to put my autumnal coloured jacket on that I got for £12 from the Misguided sample sale. And then I'm just wearing a black top, my jeans and my Dr. Martens. I can't decide whether I look like an old man or not. But if I do, I don't care. So I'm gonna take my dog to my grandma's, and then I'm gonna go and get a PSL, a pumpkin spice latte. I haven't had one in like 3 years. I forgot what they taste like, and I'm gonna review it for you, babes. Okay? I literally been driving around everywhere. I didn't know where the Starbucks was. It's literally 10 minutes from my house, right? I don't know where the Starbucks is. It's inside a hotel. So I'm like on Google Maps, like, where the hell is it? It's just inside this hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, get my drink, and then I'll come back out and tell you what I think of it. So, here's my drink. It's not a pumpkin spice latte because they were sold out of PSLs. And I said to the man, "Are you sold out?" And he said, "Yes." I took a photo to show you. He's really gutting, so I just had to get my normal Starbucks order. And for anyone wondering, it is an iced latte with oat milk and the sugar-free caramel syrup. I actually prefer oat milk to normal milk, and you know, made it to the Holy Land, that is TK Maxx. Okay. Oh, they've changed the entrance. Alright. Oh, that is very autumnal. That is so autumnal. I'm just out of TK Maxx, right? I bought 2 candles, but all the staff in TK Maxx were literally hating on me because I went in and I was just like, I wasn't filming myself, I was just like filming the jumpers, and I was going, this is so autumnal, this is autumnal. And then one of the staff members was just like staring at me like this, probably because of the camera. And then like she was like following me around, and I was like, sorry. So I bought this Wax Lyrical for $4.99. Warm amber scented, which smells bloody unreal. And I like that. And then I bought Pecksniff's Aromatherapy Recharge Fragrance Candle, which smells really nice, as cinnamon and invigorating ginger. And that was just $2.99. And I was gonna look on the Halloween section, but it was empty. And then I tried to film that, and then there was a staff member like looking at me like the full time I was there, like just like, but like I wasn't doing anything wrong, so I don't know why they were staring at me. But you know, some people can't handle people with 257 subscribers. Now there's gonna be a little singing section, but I didn't want to get copyright claimed, so I sang the songs. And I hope you enjoy it. This is my music degree being put to work. He did the mash, he did the monster mash, and it was a graveyard smash. He did the mash. I'll meet you in the park. I'll be calm and collected, as we knew right from the start that you fall apart, 'cause I'm too expensive. There's a she-wolf in the closet, and I've set her free. Oh, there's a she-wolf in the closet. Let it out so it can breathe. Under the moonlight, you see its sight that almost stops your heart. In your head, zombie, 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 what's in... So... I can't do it with you here, I can, right?
Well, I'll just... This is fair.
Yeah, it's craft time now. Autumn craft.
You can be in it.
I'm doing it with my friend. We're making this gruesome gingerbread house, and we're just gonna do it. So
I don't feel like this.
I don't even like gingerbread.
Arrange the house.
Pieces. Pipe a thick.
For what colour?
I think that's just whatever you want.
Okay.
They
looks
have
like...
not used one of them and one of them for that.
I feel like we're gonna need a lot more black.
So we use orange.
To use orange.
Yeah. By the way, we're not pretending that gingerbread houses are easy to make. They're really
well, we
hard.
haven't even made them.
No, but I've done it in my life.
No, but I mean, we haven't even made the gingerbread. We're just pre-bought it.
Okay. I wonder if you have to leave it like eyelash glue.
What, like leave it for a minute and then stick it?
Is that what you want?
I don't work for Morrison's. Right, now you're...
Oh!
I'm waiting for it to just go.
Oh, it's gonna... You should get a hairdryer on it, really.
And blow it over.
Oh, yes.
And
I think it's stuck together. It'll be stuck together with glue, that.
oh yeah, have you seen that video when they put things on?
Oh, don't. That video.
And everything's glue and what was it, the pancakes they put?
Oil.
Yeah. Like motor oil as syrup.
Oh,
Blows my mind.
that's sad, isn't it? And I'm looking at that thinking, yum yum.
It's like, you can't eat that. You die. One at a time, or? Don't make me laugh.
Do you know what best gingerbread house I've ever made? It's decoration time. Sophie's put it on upside down.
We need to squeeze some bits on the top, the front.
Do you think?
Just
To look like icicles or the equivalent.
The equivalent of Halloween icicles.
Witchicles. What have you done?
That one doesn't want to go there. Oh. I went to it, man. And you just went.
When we were like
14 or something?
14,
15?
which is the age where people start going as sexy cats, I went as an iPod for Halloween in a box that we made at home with working headphones.
And you were playing Jessie J.
And I was playing Jessie J, which is really embarrassing. We've done a brilliant job, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Please don't.
Do you want to take a photo of it? Like you hold it up. That's funny. Oh, look at it. It's good. Show your mum. Oh my gosh!
Is it right?
That is
Right, and this is what I was meant to
such
be
a
like.
Hansel and Gretel house.
No,
I think your little house with your little Hansel. I think you need a little character.
no, because it's scary, man.
Oh man, we need
need
little
little
ghosties.
characters.
Little
You
ghost
can make a little
characters.
banana ghosties.
No, you need little. I'm sorry, but this is a weird thing.
Oh,
no!
no, man, no, he can't sit there.
He's like coming to visit. Oh, we'll put him in some. No,
No, there you go. You put
Yeah.
some ice in there.
Yeah, stick some of this on.
No. It's like those horrible
Should we
bats.
smash it into the crack?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
You did it all!
You were too chicken.
No, I didn't. You hit impact before me.
Oh, okay.
You bite it too.
I got Lady in the Tramp. We're not going to be in then, she'll go down. We're available for hire for weddings, birthdays, christenings.
I've got my new candles on. They smell really nice and calming. I'm just going to end the vlog here. I've got back from Sophie's now like 20 minutes ago. And yeah, I'm just going to go to bed and edit this vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want more things like this, do let me know. And if you've got any suggestions, let me know them as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I should see you next time. Bye.